I see two x's on this side, and on the right I see two constants. So I have some like terms I can combine first. 6x minus x will be 5x plus 2 from above less than or equal, and then 2x minus 3 minus 9, so it's going to be 2x, and then negative 3 plus 9 is going to be a positive 6. Now I can just move the x's over to the left, the numbers over to the right, and then get my x by itself. So starting with subtracting 2x from both sides, and I have 3x plus 2 on the left, and then just a 6 on the right because these undo. And then I need to move that 2, so I'll subtract 2. It's the opposite sign from what the 2 has. And 3x is all I have left on the left because these two cancel, and I have less than or equal 6 minus 2 is 4. Now I want that x by itself, so I need to divide both sides by 3. And notice it is a positive 3, so I don't need to change my inequality symbol. It's going to stay less than or equal, and then the 3's reduce, of course, so I have x is less than or equal 4/3. Now 4/3 is 1 and 1/3, but I don't have to convert it like that, but it just helps you if you're trying to figure out where it goes on a number line that already has tick marks on it. You can convert that 4/3 into a mixed number or into a decimal, and then use that to help you graph. But since I'm making my own graph, I can just put that 4/3 right there at the middle, and I see I have a less than, which is down here going this direction. So I'll put the squiggly, fill it in, and I have an equal part, which means I need to do a square bracket instead of a parenthesis right at the 4/3. Now I'm ready to write my interval notation, and I can see from the graph I'm starting all the way at negative infinity and going up to a positive 4/3, and I need a square bracket because that's what I used here and because I have the equal component. Now I'm writing set notation. My variable is still x, such that, and I can take this algebraic notation and drop it right in. X is less than or equal 4/3 and the set notation. So again, 4 ways to show my answer: algebraic notation, interval, start over. 4 ways to show my answer: algebraic notation, graph, interval notation, and set notation.